What a beautiful car, just in direct off the last owner, Honda Civic I-DTEC SE Plus. This is a 1.6 diesel, 118 brake horsepower, finished in alabaster silver metallic. Beautiful looking car, a great value for money. Incredible miles per gallon according to Honda. You cannot believe what they say. So combined miles per gallon is 78.5. Wowee. Free road tax on it as well. Great spec on it. Front and rear parking sensors. Reverse camera. Let's take you all the way around. Good sized boot on it, nice and deep, lots of space in there. Split folding rear seats. Got the parcel shelf as well to hide whatever you've got in the boot. Upgraded stereo, so that's a big speaker in there. And it does come with a spare wheel. Registered in November 2014 on a 64 plate. A very, very clean and nice, tidy car. No major dents, scratches or scuffs on the vehicle. It's got these beautiful diamond cut alloy wheels. 5 twin spoke alloys. All in lovely condition. No major chunks out of these or damage. Front parking sensors. Very, very clean and tidy all the way around. Just the odd stone chip or two, but nothing major at all. Obviously it's a 2014 car, but a nice, genuine example. All the door trims nice and clean. Plenty of legroom in there. Again, the back upholstery and the seats and everything, all in fabulous condition. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells. Again, the driver's door trim. Electric windows front and rear. Electric mirrors. Again, all the upholstery nice and clean. Great stereo system on it. Sounds wonderful. CD player, CD aux, Bluetooth phone connection, dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, 40367 in the miles. That's what it's done, 40367. Reverse camera, just makes parking that a little bit easier. Central armrest with USB and aux input. Got onboard computer to give you things like miles per gallon, journey time, nice digital dashboard, nice and clear. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Bluetooth phone connection. Cruise control. Folding mirrors. Great value for money. Full service history. Five service stamps in the book, serviced by Honda about 2,000 miles ago. Great looking car. We have 2 sets of keys, a complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. If you fancy this car at 2 o'clock in the morning, you can click and reserve direct off our website. Ask about home delivery. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free, quick process. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.